What's happening, financial coaches? It's Pete here. I want to talk to you today about working with employees and organizations. So, I get contacted a lot by financial coaches that say something to the effect of, hey, I have a friend that works in HR, or I was working with this person and they work at this business, and now they want me to come in and do a workshop or a presentation or a seminar. And there are so many questions that come with this from should I charge for this or what topic should I do? And what I usually say with this is that this is a great opportunity to take advantage of. So there's a couple things that I would suggest. One, I would not charge for this. This is just generally a rule that I have for presentations, workshops, and seminars is that these are great opportunities to get visibility, build authority and credibility, connect with people and show them your expertise, and convert them into financial coaching clients. So, why would you reduce the pool of people that you can have influence over by charging a fee that will probably not make any difference to you in your life? Even if you were to charge $50 a person to come to your 1 hour workshop and your attendance went from 20 prospective attendees to five, would $250 make a difference to you in the long run? Probably not. Would I rather have 20 people there where four of those become $100 an hour clients? Yes, I would happily take $400 ongoing in perpetuity for the lifetime of working with that client for giving up $250 upfront. So, one, don't charge for it. A lot of companies will actually even ask, and they may have some budget to bring in some speakers, and I would offer to provide it to them for free. Now, if they are going to pay you from the company to present, you can certainly do that, and I would accept whatever their budget is, because honestly, if you were to do it for nothing, I would happily take that opportunity. And especially if they are going to incent their people to come, man, this is just a great opportunity for you to be in front of people for free, captive audience. Maybe they'll even get an incentive for coaching. I've been at companies where they have even required it. So I've been very busy on the back end. So that's great. If you have these relationships with employers and orgs, I would one, do them for free, and I would do a great job. Really, what I would do is talk to the HR benefits person or the person in charge or the president, depending on how big the company is, and say, hey, do you have any idea of what ails your employees or your members or your users? Because then you could build a presentation or workshop specifically for them. The more that they think you are crafting it to the needs of their people, the more likely they are going to be appreciative and have you back as well. So I would just be very diligent with working with employers and organizations because those can be really great ongoing relationships. They are actually hard to get into. Big companies screen people all the time. Big companies don't want to bring in even local experts. They often would rather pay some television personality $100,000 to come in and provide very useless, unactionable information than to bring in someone who could work with people ongoing. It's just the nature of big business. So when you do have an opportunity at a small business or a big business, treat it with respect. Do the best job you can. Give them incredible value and hold on to that because those can be really great relationships for the long run. I hope that helps. See you later.